Hello everyone, today we are going to present our project on online exam portal and our guide is Professor Pooja V. Nawal and myself is Swati Patil and my teammates are Ekta Patil, Shubham Patil and Mahesh Patil. And now I am going to explain content of our project and I am going to explain about introduction. Online exam is being launched because a need for the destination that is beneficial for both institutes and students. With this site, institute can register and host online exams. Students can give exams and view their results. This site it is an attempt to remove an existing flaws in the manual system of conducting exams purpose. Online exam system fulfills the requirement of the institutes to conduct the exams online. They do not have to go to any software developer to make a separate site for being able to conduct exams online. They just have to register on the site and enter the exam details and the list of the students which can appear the site and enter the exam details and the list of students which can appear in the exams. Student can give exam without the need of going to any physical destination. They can view the result at the same time. Thus, the purpose of the site to provide a system that saves the efforts and time of the both institute and students. Next is why online examination stored respiratory of exams, auto grinding, flexible, time saver, security, general problems with time for students. Develop a system which allows the faculty to create, modify, and store questions. We can be grouped together to form sections, and these sections can be grouped together to form examination. Next is literature survey. First is author name. First author name Padidar Vishnu and Kadam Vishal work on analysis process of design and development of online examination system. Second is Kyuga Fang Zhu and Zhong Feli research and development of online examination system proceeding of the second international conference on computer and information application. Third is ZMU Lal Zhang Jie Zhang, a novel web-based online examination system for computer science education is proceeding of 33rd annual Foundries in Education. Fourth is Al Mashab Al Ahmad, a student prescriptions of the online exam within the decision support system course at Albert University conference publication pages. Next is modules. First is registration module. In the registration module, first we ask student to give his details. After registering with us, the students can log in to own accounts and can give exams and view results. Second is administrative module. Administrative module is provide for the sake of administrator to manage the site and update the operation includes in the modules are add courses, add questions and manage students. Third is student module. This modules is meant for students where the user login into the own accounts with the view this panel. The major operation includes in these modules where give exams, view results and edit profile.
Next is a problem definition. Online examination is a very helpful to user. The aim of this project is to provide a quick, immediate and easy way to appear the exam. It can provide a special advantages to the student applicant. The online examination system can automatically add the mark allocated in each question to determine the total marks of the question. A time limit can be set for the question. Online examination system allows jumping to specify question based on previous answer. The online examination system limit the number of times a student can write a question. Login model helps the user to log into the site. For that, she must type the username and password correctly. The login previous in this page helps the already registered user to directly access the site. There is a link for registration to the user who is new on to this site. Student model is a main for the student. This helps the student to register for the exam and answer the exam. For registration, name, address, phone number, role ID, password should be entered. This system will provide the result after the exam according to the correct and wrong answer. Administrator module is mainly for the administrator. This will contain the creation of question paper, preview of already created question paper, and the report of administrator. For creating a questions paper, she must enter exam ID, number of questions, total time, marks per question, option type for showing. Next one is a problem statement. Conductor requires a long time to conduct exam in a traditional way. It is not possible to take examination of mass student. Examiners are not able to maintain the hard copy record of student in large quantity. For example, manipulation of the student record in a difficult and have a problem will not born in an online examination system. After talking with this problem, I feel that we need to create a virtual examination system because it is an easy way to conduct, give speed and accuracy to give examination and show result. Require less manpower to execute the examination. Save student and examiners time. It is a cost effective and time effective. The questions are shuffled in random order so that possibility for getting a question in the same order for the in comparison to the present system, the proposed system will be less time consuming and more efficient. Second one, result will be very result will be very accurate and will be declared in a very short span of time because calculation and evaluation are done by the simulator itself. The proposed system is a very secure as no chances of leakage of question paper as it is dependent on the administrator only. The logs of a pair candidate and their marks are stored and can be backup for future use. Next is the software requirement. Operating system, Windows XP and others. On front end side, we use JSP, HTML and CSS. And back end side, we use a MySQL and JDK. And our software is run on any browser like Internet Explorer and others. Next one is a hardware requirement. Client side, any browser can use at a client side to run our application. Minimum processor are Pentium 2.0 and above. Minimum RAM required for our application is 256 MB. And at server side, we need a processor Pentium 2.0 and above. Minimum RAM required are 1 GB and hard disk space is required 4 GB to store our data.
An overview of organization system that show the system boundaries, the major information flow between the entities and the system, a data flow diagram that represent a system major process, data flow and storage. Level 1 diagram show how students are login and give the exam. Student getting visit to registration or logging process. Here student have to enter his ID and password. Then student master and login master check the details that are submitted by student. If it is correct, then they getting information to admin activity. After completion of activity, give detail to admin and admin make a result and print it. The online examination system use client server architecture. At the client by using a web browser can connect with internet or local host with the server where PHP and MySQL in server side are responsible for the preparing example process and solve the return data from database.
Next, advantages. Physical pressure at a given location is absolutely not necessary. Result, result available instantly. Easy accessibility, user friendly, secure because authentication. Online exam, conversion security and flexibility. Next one, available at a reduced cost. And last one is accuracy in checking the answer and calculating result.
Disadvantages. This software requires high speed internet at the time we use it. It will get slow in case of small bandwidth internet. There are chances of server crisis. Also there are chances of hacking. Existing system. The existing system of conducting examination process is manual or online. There are a number of online examination system software are available today. The system of online exams has been widely adopted by a good number of organizations and universities. The tasks of maintaining records, scorecards, student details, question papers, and so on is very easily managed by the system. Expected result. Current system provide only multiple choice but single correct answer selection. Faculty may wish to provide multiple choices, multiple selection responses. In case question and answers need to be in graphics, current system has no provision. Unregistered user cannot answer test. They must belong to some groups. This is the drawback. In case the faculty wants anyone, even anonymous user, to answer the test, top score could be displayed on the home page, but this could be easily implemented with while programming the home page. Security locks through not implemented in this system would be well available through the respective database management system and web server software. Future scope. This web application involves almost all the features of the online examination. The future implementation will be online help for the users and chatting with website administrator. Conclusion. Online examination portal is a web application. The key concept is to minimize the amount of paper and convert all forms of documentation to digital forms. It reduces the need of resources like papers and pen, also reduces the time killing process of marks evaluation. It can be observed that the information required can be obtained with ease and accuracy in computerized system. The three-level module will help to ensure to security of system. The user with minimum knowledge about computer can be easily able to operate the system. It also produces brief result required by management. References. Here are references from which we gathered data from our project. Thank you.